How do beginners in astronomy choose their first telescope? If you are new to astronomy and wondering how to pick your first telescope, you are in for an exciting journey. Choosing the right telescope can make a big difference in your experience. So, how do beginners in astronomy choose their first telescope? First, let's talk about what matters most. Beginners often focus on three key factors: ease of use, affordability, and the quality of the viewing experience. One of the most important aspects to consider is the aperture size. The aperture is the diameter of the main lens or mirror that collects light. A larger aperture gathers more light, which results in brighter and clearer images. For those just starting out, a refractor telescope with at least a 70mm aperture or a reflector telescope with about a 100mm aperture is recommended. These sizes provide satisfying views without being too complicated or expensive. Now, there are three main types of telescopes that beginners will encounter. Refractors use lenses, reflectors use mirrors, and compound telescopes combine both lenses and mirrors. Each type has its own advantages. Refractors are simple and durable, requiring little maintenance. This makes them great for beginners who want a straightforward setup. Reflectors, particularly Dobsonian models, offer larger apertures at lower prices. They are easy to operate and perfect for those who want powerful views without complicated features. Compound telescopes are compact and versatile but tend to be pricier and more complex. Another important factor is the mount type. Beginners usually prefer Altazimuth mounts because they move up and down as well as left and right. This makes them intuitive and quick to set up. On the other hand, Equatorial mounts track celestial objects by compensating for Earth's rotation. These are more complex and better suited for advanced users. Some beginner telescopes come with computerized go-to mounts that automatically locate objects. While these can be helpful, they can also add complexity and cost. Many new users find that starting with a manual telescope helps them learn the night sky and basic astronomy skills. Practical considerations also play a role. Portability and weight are important. A telescope that is too heavy or bulky may discourage regular use. Beginners should consider purchasing from specialized astronomy dealers who can provide guidance and support. In summary, beginners in astronomy choose their first telescope by balancing aperture size, ease of use, cost, and portability. They often favor simple refractors or Dobsonian reflectors with manual Altazimuth mounts. This approach ensures an enjoyable introduction to astronomy while supporting a growing interest in the field.